Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
What branch of government has the power of judicial review? A. Executive. B. Legislative. C. Judicial. D. Constitutional commissions. The correct answer is letter C, judicial. The Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines is the A. Secretary of National Defense, B. Senate President, C. Chief Justice, D. President. The correct answer is letter D, President. Which body has the power to declare the existence of a state of war? A. President, B. Congress, C. Supreme Court, D. National Security Council. The correct answer is letter B, Congress. How long is the term of office of the President of the Philippines? A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 8 years. The correct answer is letter C, 6 years. How many terms may a president serve? A. 1 term only, B. 2 consecutive terms, C. 2 non-consecutive terms, D. Unlimited terms. The correct answer is letter A, 1 term only.
Did you get them all right?